So today I'm recording day 46 of my Chai coding journey, and the last class was kind of very heavy. It was one of the difficult class that I've ever seen in any programming thing. I found it too difficult that at the end of the class I thought whether I'm in the right profession or not. These kind of questions were in my head, but nevertheless, then I tried to understand those code. Quite difficult, it was very difficult to understand the code. I didn't get the understanding. Then I took a different path, that I go to the YouTube, search Hitesh Chaudhary sir course on the backend, and there I understand how to write those file structure that Piyush sir has taught his dist app and source, what all file structure he has given us. But I found Hitesh sir file structure to be more easy for me to understand and write the codes. I understand how to install npm init. We all know how to do it. I install lots of different packages to make the project work. Like I install npm i.env to for the environment variable. I install nodemon, who is always a watcher for your code, always update. You don't have to go and write all the time to see the result, what's happening. It just update everything automatically. I learned how to add different kind of files, like git ignore. When you are pushing to the git, some of the files are there which you don't want to, so you create a file like git ignore. Then you create the prettier. By the way, I install the prettier, and there are some opinion on how the code should be written with the double space, forward space, comma, and all colon, this kind of things. So there is a prettier. I created the file prettier .prettier rc, in which you can specify all kinds of things, that how the code file should look like. If let's say hundreds or 10, let's say 10-12 coders working on a same project, then it means you should be having consistency in writing the code. If I'm adding comma, you're not, yeah, it doesn't make sense. And I also understood why should be writing that file called the prettier ignore. Some of the things we want to ignore it. And I learned to install different files, like I install the mongoose, I install express to make the app, and I build the very basic express backend server. I also try to I build it by the way of full server using nginx. Okay, nginx server I build it. Yeah, that's all I've done. Still I can't say that it is a lot of thing. We all know that's very basic, but yeah, I try to find something different, and I will try to go through all those backend things that Hitesh sir has taught us on the YouTube, and try to understand everything, because I was it was very difficult to understand those codes. That all was in the last class. And that's all for day 46.